Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. So today we're gonna learn how to fix TikTok search not working. So for that, let's go to our setting first. Scroll down, go to your apps, then tap on app management, then search for TikTok. Let me type it correctly. Then click on force to stop. So for me it's not happening the same issue. So I will be cancelling it. Tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. I'm pretty much sure that it will be solving your issue. If that doesn't work, then tap on clear data and tap on OK. And I'm 100% sure this will definitely work. This will help you to fix TikTok search not working issue permanently. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, leave like, comment, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.